how to upload photos on Google Drive from Android. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can simply upload photos to Google Drive in just a few minutes. Simply open up Google Drive on your phone by typing in Drive in your app drawer and then clicking on Drive. Once you have your Drive opened up, after that click on plus, and then from over here you guys will see the option to upload. Click on upload, and then from over here you guys can just simply choose images from the top, and then you guys will only see images, and you guys can simply choose any image, and that image is gonna start uploading to your Google Drive. You guys can track the progress of your uploading over here, and as you guys can see that this particular photo has now been successfully uploaded. You guys can upload whatever you want over here, and you guys can even upload videos, documents, and even music as well if you guys would like to. You guys can even back up your whole photo library over here on Google Drive. So guys, this is how you guys can upload photos to Google Drive. Thank you so much for watching. Take care till next time. Goodbye.